And if we come down here, you're gonna notice right here, the median sales price went down to $440 from $448.7. So I tell you what, I don't know if it's gonna keep going down, but we got some numbers that said it's not going to. Okay, so that was last month. So what happened here in the Plano, Texas real estate market? It is now July 2021. So let's look at the numbers. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is come over here to date and time and find out where we're at. It's at 3:40 p.m. July 8th here in Plano, Texas. And next thing we're gonna do is come over here to the MLS. We are set up for a 7-day market watch here. And we're gonna make sure to ensure we are in Plano. Hit customize here. And here we got single family, single detached, Texas, Plano. So we're gonna go ahead and save that and it should update. And here we have market watch customize. Here is the sold numbers, which is 82 for the previous 7 days here in Plano, Texas. The other number we usually look at is the new listings, which 71 listings came on the market here in Plano, Texas in the last 7 days. Okay, last month on the 7-day snapshot, we only had 54 that actually came into the market in the 7 days. So we do have a little bit more inventory coming on, but a lot of that goes on the contract pretty quick. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is come over to planorealestate.info housing market, and I'll leave a link to this page down in the description below. Now this covers the whole city of Plano, Texas, the housing market here. You're gonna come down here and we're gonna look at the median sales price. And as you can see, the median sales price went from $439,750 all the way up to $468,250. That is a significant increase. You'll see last month it went down just a bit, not much, but it recovered all that and then it did some more on top of that. So it's still going pretty much straight up line there. Here's a median price per square foot is relatively the same for the 3 months, April, May, and June. All right, days on market. You can see right here, we only went up to 5 days on market. This is the median days on market, but the median is real low right now, still in the single digits, which is just telling us the market is just really moving fast still. Months supply, and here we have a little bit of increase. We went from 0.7 to 0.9. Hey, we're almost at 1 month supply of inventory. Inventory of homes for sale has increased, so we're up to 239. So we do have more properties. Last month we had, or the previous month we had 184, and then last month for closing out June we had 239. So we do have more properties. New listings, we had just a little bit more, but not much. All right, now you get all this information here on planorealestate.info. And you can check out the different zip codes as well. Just click on either one of these here, like 75075, and it'll give you the same kind of information per zip code. Just come back down and just click on it, and you can see what 75075 as well as the rest of the zip codes have done. All right, now let's see what's available in Plano as of right now. We're gonna go over here to dfwlocalhomes.com, and I'll leave a link to this page as well. I've already filtered it out. What's available in Plano right now? Single family homes detached. 185. This is available inventory. Last month I believe was 135. So we do have a few more homes on the market. So when you come to this page, move myself out of here, you can scroll through here and you can see some have already been reduced. Which brings me to an interesting point. If I go to more filters here and come down here and select on the just reduced, apply filters, now we have 43 properties. Just keep that in mind. Even though this is a seller's crazy market, there's 43 properties here in Plano that have been overpriced. All right, that's over 20% of the homes listed have been overpriced. They've already been reduced in price, looking to still to sell. Hey, again, you come to this page and do that filter, and you can find out what these reduced properties might even get yourself a deal. All right, one more thing I wanted to show you. There seems to be a lot of people out there saying that there is no inventory. We are back on the Plano realestate.info site. We're going to come down here to new listings and we're going to see something real quick. New listings right here. If you see, we have 392 properties that came available. We only have 185 listings available right now. So the challenge is that we don't have any inventory. The challenge is that these properties are being taken off the market rather quickly because you have 392 in June. Over here you have 383. That was in last July, and June is 411. So that's roughly about the same. Now if you go that same time period over here in the days on market, median days on market, right now we're at 5. Back in June we're at 19. So 19 in June. And remember, 2019 was well ahead of 2020. We all know what happened in 2020. So over here in June of 2019, properties were staying on the market more than 3 times as long as they are right now. So the issue is we still got a lot of buyers that are taking these properties right off the market as soon as they get on there, 4 days or less. I just want to put that out to you. I hope this report helps you out for July 2021. I'm gonna leave a link to another video up there on how to buy and sell in the seller's market that may help you out. And make sure you reach out to me if you need any help with your real estate needs. We're glad to help. All right, take care and God bless.